Today we will learn very basic and simple and decent bead embroidery design. You can make it on any plain dress or any simple kurti. For that, I'll give you some idea how to draw it precisely on your fabric. You have to make 3 circles, 1, 2 and 3, and these are the radii of circles. If you want to draw exact length you want, then smaller circle A, its radius is 1 centimeter. I have used the compass for drawing this. B 1.8 centimeter, C 2.2 centimeters. You can use the scale and just take the measurement of radius and take the center and just draw it. You can see some pipe or conical bead in the center, and for this you have to make 3 lines, like one like this and another is you are basically making cross like this, and in the center 3rd line. This is very simple and easy design. And about the thread, you can either use this transparent thread for making bead embroidery, or you can use the same colored thread or cotton thread. It should match with your pearls or beads. Let's start. I am attaching seed bead all over the circle, or I am making circle with seed bead. Just by using same technique, complete this outer circle. Now we will make inner circle. In the center, I am going to attach pearls. If you want to make it very strong or tight design, just go into the pearl 2-3 times, so it would be perfect and it won't come out easily when you wash your fabric. For this center I am using this conical glass bead. If you don't have these, you can still use pipe beads. Now you can complete this embroidery design just by using same technique and try to use stronger thread.